to guide your way. Craft your own boards with oceans so blue, rivers of rocks and swan quarry too. Northland dirty pours bring so much fun. The passion art couple will show everyone. Creativity shines in all you make, crafting at home with each step you take. The passion art team is just a call away, ready to help you every day. Plan your design, let your dreams run free. Colors and shapes for all to see. From dawn till dusk will light your spark, guiding your journey through each mark. Northland dirty pours bring so much fun. The passion of